Connectors are used to support the element on the material. However, after the machining of element is finished, we need to cut off the connector by hand to get the element. GO2dental provide an option to cut partial and complete of the connector at the end of the machining process, so that people can move the element out of the material easily. So we are in positioning and in connectors cut. So choose the option of the cut method. Then choose one connector by click. The color of the connector will be updated to the option color. We can also activate all identical, so all the connectors will be updated to the changed option method.